Hello everyone, welcome to devlog 1 of Scrapper VR. There's some pretty cool stuff in this devlog and I really want to show you. So, the first thing is this is a test demo thingy I did for the open source VR Boneworks, Bone Lab like movement that this guy made. I'll put it on screen now. His YouTube, his Discord, Discord will be in description, and the file for this open source physics interaction system will be there. So there's a decent amount I do want to show you, and I will tell you what's going to be added, and what's potentially going to be added, and what's not going to be added. There are some things that are not going to be added in this because I just want to test it here just to make sure all the physics and stuff works. But let's get on to the player. So as you can see, we have arms with fully animated hands. And if we look down, we have legs. And if we use our thumbstick, we can hold down thumbstick and jump. That will be added into the game, obviously. We can walk around. There's smooth turning. There's also options right here for height stuff and yada yada yada. There's also sprinting. As you can see, we're sprinting. And that's kind of really it of the player. You can also crouch pretty low, where you can like basically walk like a gorilla tag player. Let's get into the menu. So this is the menu for just the basic thing right here. There's the name, BMOS, and there's the creator right there. So we got two different locomotion types. Obviously, the only one you're gonna have is smooth, but I'll show you teleport. Yep. And it has red, and we can teleport. As turning, we got none. Can't turn. Smooth, we can turn. There's a turn speed right here too. As you can see, if we go to 1, it's really slow. If we go to 10, it's really fast. Snap turn. Turn down the increment. We also got different spectators. We got a normal, like a vlog camera. If I can go find it. There's a vlog camera. There's also a third person follow. As you can see, if I can't even move it, but there's that. And we also just got a normal headset and spectator. So these will be in the game. Teleport will not be in it. These turning options will be. Camera mode will be available just for PC. Show physics or hide animation rig won't be in there. Reset scene will be in there, and quit the main menu will be there. Let's see the show physics rig. It's just, it shows the physics rig. Hide animation rig just hides the animation, which these will be disabled. And there's a resume button, but you can also just press that 3-line button on your left controller. Let's get into some basic interactions. Some basic interactions here. We got guns, a grappling hook, and a key for that key door. Let's look at some guns. This will not be in Scrapper. But if we look here, there's a fully working gun with even a physical slide. If I added another gun, you can kind of click them together with the little sight thing here. Did not mean to grab the table. But if we grab a mag, we can insert it into the gun. We can either use this as the charging handle, also different grabs for the gun, as you can see, or you can do this, like that. There's even recoil, as you can see. And then we can release it. I can just not grab the table. And reload it. Reload it with a table. Like that. Let me grab this. Let me guess. And then if we press the B button, or it would be the Y button, we can release the handle. The slot I meant. Okay, we got the grappling gun. I will show that later when we go over there for a little bit more interactions. But as you can see, it's just a normal grappling gun. Now it doesn't hook you, it doesn't pull you, you have to pull down on yourself. Also have keys. If we go right over here, see how we cannot open this door? We put it in here and we open it up. This will be in the game. I also forgot to say grappling guns might be in the game. This is just a test button, just to, test the buttons out. This is just a test thing. You can climb on this. And it has physics, so I'll just push it. I'll push it this way. So I'm gonna try and push it. Clearly, there you go. Let me just... And there it goes. And all the pieces are falling. Alright. I also got this moving platform, which is like an elevator, which will be used. And it's coming down. I only go up a little bit and then come back down. Because I don't want this to be too long and I want to go to bed because it's 10:46. There we go. And we press this, and we're going up. And we press this to go back down. Alright. Let me see if I can do this in one go. Hopefully I can do it in one take on this. Crap. I'm gonna have to go back around. Welcome to devlog 2 of Scrapper. I have some really nice things to show you in this devlog. And we're gonna start from left to right. And the first thing I want to show you is the new menu. So this, all I really did was kind of smooth out the edges, change the text, and make it right here, Scrapper VR Alpha 1.0.0. I did remove the copyright thing right here. That will be the guy that made this whole, sample physics interaction thing. He will be credited in the credits in the main menu, and in the actual facilities when you see the credits board on the computers. Excuse me. As you can see, most of the stuff's saved except the rig stuff. So, because I don't want anybody, messing around with the rig stuff, that really don't matter. Let's get into interactions with objects and the scrap. So if we go over here, we have the desk. So I added a little bit of weights to it, so it's pretty heavy. I'll probably add a little bit more weight to it, because before you were able to just grab with one hand and just freaking chuck it across the stratosphere. I'm actually going to use the third-person camera. So I'm gonna just set this like this. Trying to make it as straight as possible. If it's not straight, it's whatever. Alright. So as you can see, we have the desk. Looks pretty nice. Over here, we have all the interactable objects. Here. Now, I probably am going to end up grabbing the table when grabbing some of these. So I'm going to knock them on the floor so I can actually grab them correctly. But the first interactable object is a computer tower. It has a little bit of weight to it, as you can see. You have to hold it with two hands. It has a little bit of weight. Diamond did fall. But you can sell it. So let me just switch to my spectator. And it'll probably be better just to use these when I'm in spectator. So we grab these, as you can see. There's some weight to the monitor. I do have 3,000 because I did test the cell, but this should work, hopefully. But I'm pretty sure this is like 500, so yep, 350. The computer monitor, as you can see, has a little bit of weights to it too. And we can put it in here for another 500. We have the water bottle, which I'm going to knock on the floor, as you can see. I do need to fix the grab pose for the water bottle and kind of scale up the water bottle a little bit. As you can see, Weeping Spring water. We have recyclable stuff, nutrition facts. I think this is 25, so we should have 4,025. Yep. And we have the cog wheel, like this. Yep. And you can grab the center, because the mesh collider is just a big circle. But we can still grab it, which is nice, and sell it. We got the diamond, which is the mess. I'll show you that after all this. Silver. You sell it. I'm trying to remember what I think it was 800. We try to grab gold. There we go. We got gold. We sell it. There we go. That's I think 2,000. No, it's 1,000. Let me slide this over here. And by the way, Classically made all these models. Obviously not this table model, but he made that model, these models, and all the scraps I've been throwing in there, and that model. Yeah. So we got a plank. Also made this. We'll just throw it in there. Then we get the diamond, and throw it in there. There you go. Diamond is 5,000. So we have 12,675 scrap cash. And as a test scene, I'm just gonna throw this. Oh. Okay. Well, I didn't expect that to do that, but yeah. I'm gonna try to get on the table. No, don't fall down. Okay. Oh god. There you go. No, come back. Come back. Okay. But that's really it.